Hi, my name is Attorney Reshard Alexander, and I'm known as the Big Rig Bull Texas Truck Accident Lawyer. I help injury victims receive the care and compensation that they deserve when they've been injured by the negligence, recklessness, or intentional wrongdoing of motor carrier companies and/or their truck drivers. If you've been injured in a Maverick County truck wreck, give me a call today at 713-766-3322. That's 713-766-3322. Additionally, you can go to my website at houstontruckaccident.lawyer. That's houstontruckaccident.lawyer and download your free ebook titled Texas Car, Motorcycle, and Truck Accident Law: What the Injured Must Know. I wrote this book with you in mind. So go to my website at houstontruckaccident.lawyer and download your free ebook today. Then give me a call at 713-766-3322. I look forward to talking to you about your personal injury case, as well as providing you with a free personal injury consultation and helping you receive the care and compensation that you deserve.